versus the Robo Squirrel. Bites! Leave the squirrel alone.
Hey, you kids!
Sorry about that, Mr. Higgins.
We can't get Bites to stop chasing squirrels.
Well, I guess robot dogs will be robot dogs. I brought those nuts and bolts you wanted.
Thanks, Mr. Higgins. We can never have too many nuts and bolts to hold our stuff together. Bites! I wish there was a way to get him to leave that squirrel alone. Oh! What about something that wouldn't mind being chased? I know just the thing. The Robo Squirrel 800. Perfect for Bites to chase all he wants.
He is a speedy little fella.
Yeah, too speedy for Bites.
Well, thanks again for the nuts and... Whoa!
Where did all the nuts and bolts go? You don't think Robo Squirrel...
Oh, looks like he's doing what squirrels do, collecting nuts.
Only instead of the tree nuts that real squirrels collect.
He's collecting the metal variety, the kind that hold things together. We'd better shut him down. We've got a Robo Squirrel to catch. Time to bolt.
I'll come too. Oh, nuts!
Which way did he go? Never mind.
Sorry about that.
We're going to have to fix a lot of stuff when this is done.
Oh, no, you don't.
He did.
My ice cream cart! Oh!
Sorry, Sammy.
There he is. Shh. Gotcha. Look out!
Runaway gear! Got it! What? Robo Squirrel got away.
For now, maybe.
Wait, I know how to catch him. We just have to give him what he wants. That should do it. Robo Squirrel won't be able to resist a trail of nuts and bolts.
When he gets here, he'll hit the trigger, lowering the cage, and voila! We got him. Here he comes. Hide.
Gotcha!
Yes!
Should have seen that coming.
Yup.
What now? We need to stop him and get those nuts and bolts back.
Well, squirrels like to hide the nuts they collect. So if we find his hiding place, we can catch him and get the nuts and bolts back. But how do we find it?
I know just how. Here, Robo Squirrel!
here. Somewhere. Thanks, Bites. We know he's here.
I can hear Robo Squirrel. I just can't see him.
There he is! And he's got a ton of nuts and bolts up there.
So how do we get way up there to get them? And him?
What we need is something that can climb trees. Botarilla!
Ooh, I like it.
Botarilla, we need you. We need you to get us up there so we can get Robo Squirrel and all the nuts and bolts he took. Oh, no, you don't, Robo Squirrel. There's nowhere to go now. I did not see that coming. Okay, Botarilla, follow that Robo Squirrel.
Up there! He's getting away!
Don't worry, we'll get him. Where would I go if I were a hungry Robo Squirrel? Oh, probably to the thing with the most nuts and bolts holding it together. Yep, the bridge. Robo Squirrel is already taking the bridge apart. And there's a train coming.
We need to get there, now!
Let's bounce, Botarilla.
It's going to collapse!
Unless we stop him and fix it before the train arrives.
But how? Robo Squirrel can take out bolts way faster than we can put them back in.
And the bridge is huge. I know you want to help, but you don't have the right tools to fix it.
What if he did have the right tools?
Let's combine it
And design it.
We'll start with Botarilla, because he can climb the bridge.
Then we'll add a hard hat to keep us all safe from falling bridge parts.
And last but not least, a riveting drill arm to put the bridge back together with super strong Rusty Rivets, rivets. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Time to go mobile. Modify.
Customize.
Rustify. Drilla Gorilla. Train's almost here. We have to fix the bridge before the whole thing collapses. Going down.
Let's get riveting.
We have to move faster.
The traps have fallen. It won't hold the train.
Not on my watch, Robo Squirrel. We're out of time. Power lift and hold, Drilla Gorilla. We did it!
Robo Robo Squirrel's in trouble.
Let's go, Drilla-Gorilla.
You saved him.
I knew you would. No problem.
You're welcome.
There, last nut and bolt.
I thought we'd never get everything put back together.
I'm just glad we found a better way for Robo Squirrel to get his fill of nuts and bolts.
Yes, the back of my store was starting to pile up with this old junk.
Now you can recycle it, and we can keep all the extra nuts and bolts.
Plus, it's a much better way to keep Bites entertained.